So, hi guys. So, I'm Bernard from FEU and I would like to show you a simple trick on how to send big files on the internet. Then, all you have to do is register on these sites. First is the Gmail and their cloud. They called it My Drive, and afterwards you just need to upload your files or your big files on this site, My Drive, and after uploading it successfully, you just need to go to the directly composing your message on the Gmail, then click the compose button located here on the left side. And so after that, you just need to locate this triangular button which says insert file using drive, then kindly locate your files, the one you uploaded in the My Drive, then just click it, tap, then put your subject, or maybe you can use my name here, then the recipient sample, so you just send also to me, then that's it, just click send. Ta-da! It's done. Thank you.